Welcome to Expert Excel with Dr. Chang. Today's episode is a step-by-step project that will explain how to solve a linear optimization problem in Excel. The details of the problem are provided in the description of the video. The first step in doing a linear optimization problem in Excel is that the solver add-in needs to be set up in Excel. After setting up the solver add-in, the problem must be set up in the worksheet where the objective function, like the profit, the constraints, and the order quantity have to be set up and calculated. This video shows the setup and adds conditional formatting so that the user can do manual changes with the order quantity to see the results. Once the worksheet is finished set up, the usage of the solver add-in will complete the linear programming problem. So this concludes another episode of Step-by-Step Project. Please like, share, and subscribe the video. And see you in the next episode of Expert Excel with Dr. Chang.